Alright, I got the ZOTEK outlet tester here. This was sent to me for evaluation purposes, and all opinions are my own. And my opinion is this thing's pretty awesome. And I really like this one. I've been messing with it all day, and I've rigged up some stuff so that I can show you all the functions on it. One of the cool things about this is it's just a simple plug and play device. You plug it in and it tells you exactly what's going on with the outlet. It's super small, easy to carry around, and easy to put in your tool bag. When you get it, you may have to put some 2 AAA batteries in there, and there's just 4 screws right here in the back you take off. When you're ready to use it, you just press the power button and it comes on, and you can see that it has a really nice color LCD display on it, which is going to look great in the dark when we test our GFCI outlet. Just wanted to show you how easy this thing is to see in the dark. Look at that. Alright, first of all, let's do a non-contact voltage test here. See what it does. You can see it's sensing voltage in the outlet, which is good. We know we got voltage in there, and this is a GFCI outlet, so let's do the GFCI test on this. Plug it in. It's wired correctly, 120 volts in there. Just press the GFCI test button and watch this. It trips the GFCI, and there it is. You can see 0, 0, 0. There's no power there now because we've tripped the GFCI. I know my GFCI is working. And pretty simple, just to show you how this works, you just plug this in, and it tells you if it's correct or incorrect. Right here you can see I have a correctly wired outlet right here. You can see the neutral, the live wire, and the ground, the earth ground, is all correct, and it's telling me the voltage I got running through here, 119 volts. It has a non-voltage contact function on it. You can literally hold up to an outlet and it tells you if there's electricity coming off there. You can see as I pull it away. What I've done here is I've rigged up a makeshift outlet. I took a cord and separated it. Attach my ground. Turn the power on. Alright, let's turn on the outlet and see what we get. You can see that I have it correctly wired. It's telling me that this outlet is wired correctly. Now let's switch a few things around and see if we can cause some faults. And you can also see that I've got 120 volts coming through the line, which is great. So let's turn this off and let's switch these two guys. I can see right away that I've got this outlet wired incorrectly, and it's telling me why it's wired incorrectly. I've got the live wire and the neutral switched backwards. Now I'm going to take the ground and put it on the live wire. I'm going to take the live wire and put it on the ground. Automatically, right off the bat, it tells me my outlet is wired incorrectly and that my live wire and my ground are switched. It's telling me with those arrows. So as you can see, this is a really simple device. It's just plug and play. You get automatic feedback on it. I've plugged this in and it's correct. It's either correct or incorrect. And if it's incorrect, it tells you why. So obviously this is great for testing outlets around the house. It's easy to store away. And obviously this would be great for electricians. Easy to throw in your bag, take to the work site. Easy to see and easy to see in the dark. The ZOTEK outlet tester.